Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times. Today we will discover how precise measurements and standards are quietly revolutionizing India's path to becoming a developed nation by 2047. In this Consumer Times deep dive, we explore the critical role of metrology, the science of measurement, in everything from healthcare innovations to space missions, manufacturing excellence to consumer protection. Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. When we envision India as a developed nation by 2047, we often think of gleaming cities, advanced technology, and robust infrastructure. But there's an invisible force working behind every achievement, every innovation, and every product that reaches your hands: metrology, the science of measurement. Today on Consumer Times, we are exploring how precise measurements and standardized systems are quietly revolutionizing India's development trajectory. From the medicines you take to the fuel you buy, from the smartphones you use to the food you consume, metrology ensures accuracy, safety, and fairness in every transaction. Understanding metrology beyond basic measurements, metrology isn't just about rulers and weighing scales. It's a sophisticated science that establishes measurement standards, ensures accuracy across industries, and creates the foundation for quality assurance. Think of it as the universal language that allows different systems, companies, and countries to communicate effectively. In India, the National Physical Laboratory and various metrology institutes work tirelessly to maintain measurement standards that align with international benchmarks. This alignment is crucial because when Indian products meet global measurement standards, they gain access to international markets seamlessly. As consumers, we interact with metrology constantly without realizing it. When you buy a kilogram of rice, metrology ensures you're getting exactly 1000 grams. When you purchase fuel, standardized pumps guarantee accurate measurements. Your smartphone's GPS relies on precise time measurements from atomic clocks. Even the medicines prescribed by your doctor depend on exact dosage measurements validated through metrological standards. This consumer protection aspect of metrology builds trust in the marketplace. When measurement systems are accurate and standardized, consumers can make informed decisions, businesses can operate fairly, and the entire economy benefits from reduced disputes and increased efficiency. Economic catalyst, trade and manufacturing excellence. India's manufacturing sector, which aims to contribute 25% to GDP by 2025, depends heavily on metrological infrastructure. Precise measurements ensure that components manufactured in Mumbai fit perfectly with parts made in Bangalore or even exported to Germany. This interchangeability and quality consistency are what make in India products competitive globally. Consider the automotive industry, where measurement accuracy down to micrometers determines safety and performance. Or the pharmaceutical sector, where precise measurements can mean the difference between a life-saving drug and a dangerous mistake. These industries contribute significantly to India's export earnings and employment generation. International trade particularly benefits from robust metrology systems. When Indian exporters can demonstrate compliance with international measurement standards, trade barriers reduce significantly. The mutual recognition agreements, MRAS, that India signs with other countries are often based on equivalent metrology standards, opening up billion-dollar market opportunities. The healthcare sector showcases metrology's life-changing impact most dramatically. Medical devices, diagnostic equipment, and treatment protocols all rely on precise measurements. During the COVID-19 pandemic, accurate testing, vaccine dosing, and treatment monitoring demonstrated how critical measurement science is for public health. India's growing medical device manufacturing sector, projected to reach $50 billion by 2030, depends entirely on metrological excellence. From blood pressure monitors to sophisticated MRI machines, every medical device must meet stringent measurement standards to ensure patient safety and therapeutic efficacy. Telemedicine and digital health solutions, increasingly important in India's healthcare delivery, require accurate sensors and measurement systems to provide reliable remote diagnostics and monitoring. Technology and innovation synergy. India's technology sector, from its services to space exploration, relies fundamentally on metrology. ISRO's successful missions demonstrate India's capability in precision measurement and control systems. The recent Chandrayaan and Mars missions required measurement accuracies that would have been impossible without world-class metrological infrastructure. The emerging sectors of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, IoT, and quantum computing all depend on precise measurement systems. As India positions itself as a global technology leader, metrology becomes the foundation that supports these advanced capabilities. Even in traditional sectors, technology integration requires metrological support. Smart agriculture, for instance, uses sensors and measurement systems to optimize crop yields and resource utilization, contributing to food security and farmer prosperity. India has made significant investments in metrology infrastructure over the past decade. The National Physical Laboratory has been modernized, regional testing laboratories have been established, and industry-specific measurement standards have been developed. The Legal Metrology Act ensures consumer protection through regulated measurements in trade and commerce. However, challenges remain. Many small and medium enterprises still lack access to advanced calibration services. The skilled workforce in metrology needs expansion to meet growing industry demands. Rural areas often have limited access to standardized measurement systems, affecting agricultural productivity and rural commerce. As India works toward becoming a developed nation by 2047, metrology will play an increasingly central role. The vision includes establishing India as a global hub for calibration and testing services, developing indigenous measurement standards, and creating a digitally connected metrology ecosystem. Key initiatives include expanding the network of accredited laboratories, developing sector-specific measurement standards, and integrating metrology education into technical curricula. The National Mission on Quantum Technologies recognizes metrology as a crucial application area, potentially positioning India as a leader in next-generation measurement science. International collaborations will expand, with India contributing to global measurement standards rather than just adopting them. This shift from follower to leader in metrology will enhance India's scientific prestige and economic competitiveness. The journey to a developed India 2047 is essentially a journey toward measurement excellence. Every milestone of progress, whether in manufacturing quality, healthcare outcomes, technological innovation, or consumer protection, depends on our ability to measure accurately and consistently. As consumers, understanding the role of metrology helps us appreciate the invisible infrastructure that ensures product quality and fair trade. As citizens, supporting investments in metrological infrastructure contributes to national development goals. The science of measurement may be invisible, but its impact on India's development story is unmistakable and irreplaceable. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Times for more information about the Put Your Interests First. Until next time, stay informed and informed.